Since we've added the tiling window manager DK to the extended, for example, right, there is the extended ISO, and it has 14 desktops. Well, let's call it desktops, right? Open box and 30 tiling window managers. But having a new tiling window manager, we needed also a new desktop trasher, right? So if we update our systems, update, it's all good. Typos included, it's all there in our bash RC. Whoa, X monad, you see Haskell. No, another update coming in, as always, in packs. It gets released like pigeons. Enfin, we got a new update in, and this is of course ArcoLinux B things, and ArcoLinux B is rather minimal, right? So I even don't know if ADT or the ArcoLinux Desktop Trasher is available, and it is. Okay, cool. Let's wait for this thing to do its job. First of all, XD, right? XD, so that's up to date. Normally I would reboot, but okay. Awesome is here, Dusk is here, i3, Qtile, BSP, WM, DWM, Left WM, Spectre, WM, CHWM, always the WM, right? Head-up Slough is here, OpenBox, Warm, DK, i3, OpenBox, and Xmonad. I want to get rid of something. ADT, a tool asked for, waited, we did not want to give it because it's impossible to make it right. It is just impossible. There is no, well, yeah, maybe with the artificial intelligence, maybe. But the thing is, it always matters what the other 1,000 people do with the dependencies in their packages, and we don't know what you've installed already in the package and so on. So it really is impossible to make it perfect. So hence the message, right? Be careful and so on, make backups and all that. But here it is. DK is now in the drop menu, so if you update your system, this particular package is also updated, and you have the possibility to select DK and to trash the desktop. Basically, we just get rid of two things, ArcoLinux DK, so the configuration and the application, and that's it. And if you do a Ctrl-T, XD again, you'll see, oh, DK is gone. Well, the advice we give you, and I should include it in a video like this as well, if you're messing with things, right, install this and delete this and so on, always think, what do I want to have afterwards? What's my default desktop that I want to have in the end? After all, messing with all these desktops, what's really the one that I want to rely upon? Use the ArcoLinux Desktop Trasher, then go to the ArcoLinux tweak tool and install whatever desktop you desire. To say, I want to always have this or that, and this is the one I'm going to rely, and install everything again. Because if something was removed, which was essential to something else, maybe, you don't know, right? This is to be certain that whatever desktop you choose as a default, that it's back in, because it's gonna check. And if it's in, it's in, no problem, right? Just say skip. But if there's one of those that is really relying or is important for it, then it just gets reinstalled because of the ArcoLinux tweak. So that's a little bit of advice. So the ATT, that's what the video is about. You can trash DK, that's the point, and DK is now gone. I can still have a lot of stuff to trash if I want, but this is the extended, right? This is to promote the tiling window managers, and if you decide BSPWM is gonna be the one, then you go to ArcoLinux BSPWM, install that and stick to that. All right, cheers.